Need to edit a PDF but don't have the original Word file? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to convert any PDF into an editable Word document for free in just a few clicks. First, open Chrome or any browser and search for ilovepdf.com. Open the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the website, select the PDF to Word tool. Now click on the Select PDF File button, which you'll see highlighted in the red box. Choose the PDF file that you want to convert from your device. The file will start uploading automatically, and it usually takes just a few seconds depending on the file size. After the upload is complete, simply click on the Convert to Word button, which is also shown in the red box. The AI will begin converting your PDF into a fully editable Word document while preserving the original formatting as accurately as possible. The conversion process only takes a few seconds for most files. Once it's finished, you'll see the Download Word button appear on your screen. Simply tap on Download Word, and your converted Word document will be saved directly to your device. Now you can open the file in Microsoft Word or any compatible editor, make changes, add or remove text, update formatting, and edit the document however you like. This tool is perfect for editing resumes, assignments, contracts, invoices, reports, study notes, and other PDF documents without having to type everything again. The best part is that everything works directly from your browser. There's no need to install any software or pay for expensive PDF editing tools.
Just upload your PDF, convert it into an editable document, download the file, and start editing in
minutes.